motherfucking earthquake. Shake your house like a motherfucking earthquake. Gonna be late, so they just have